her breasts like two ripe melons, threatening to burst from her borders.
I mean, I don't relate.
This is the point. This is the point where that song comes in. Honey, mein lela lela chitnaunga kurta paan ke.
Yeah. She made a mad dash to the bathroom, breaking her heels along the way, which flattened her shoes enough to gain more speed. Because
जूते भी नहीं देखे आज तक इसको जूते की भी एनाटमी नहीं पता है इंसान की तो जोड़
she raised her hand again, and Mr. Johnson misogynistically sighed. What? How do you misogynistically sigh?
What? That's how.
What?
Yeah. What?
What? Welcome guys to another podcast on the internet which you can watch and listen to while doing random things like cleaning your house.
No. No, please.
Yes.
Gaadi chalao.
Because there were so few podcasts on the internet, we were like, let's, close this gap and
Yes.
put our own take on it.
There was a hole in the market.
Yeah. So we were like, chalo is niche mein thoda apne aap ko ghusate hain. So
Yes.
yeah, so we came up with this. So I am Arushi. I am an anchor, content creator, a writer, an editor, lots of things, depends on the day. And I have many things to say.
Oh my God. All right. And I'm Siddhika. I am a brand strategist. I'm a creative community builder. And I am a founder of a company. Not only that, I host this podcast with Arushi called Girl Gappa.
Yes. So we're two girls.
And we love to talk, man. We have a lot of gup to do.
Yeah. And hence we're Girl Gappa. We also like Girl Gappa. So the podcast, Girl Gappa, is by women, written
Yeah.
by women,
Yes.
performed by women.
Yes.
And
And the crew has women also.
yeah. Which is why we try to be as honest to the topic, as close to the subject as possible. But then, if you flip this narrative and you make men write us,
Oh no.
it will become very different.
Yeah.
So today, what we are going to discuss is men who write women
Women.
characters and fail very badly.
Yeah, I mean, there are shades. They're all the same color and the same tone and the same depth and no variety. Her skin was just like coffee, but it had a lot of milk, though she was white.
Okay then. Yeah, because that's how women function now.
Yeah.
If tomorrow you drink chai, you will become beige
Oh,
color.
that
mode.
was
Imagine,
a
because that's what a
thing.
man thinks because reduced me to. अगर कल मैं chocolate खाऊंगी तो मैं बन जाऊंगी chocolate color. So because a man wrote this about me. Yeah, no, there is like thoda sa variety where, but it's all they all can be painted under the same umbrella. So there are particular tropes
Yeah.
that men have fixed for us because we are only 3 types of women in the
Oh
world.
my.
Okay.
So much counting.
Yeah.
All in one hand.
Yeah, so एक होता है femme fatale, जो होती है the hot siren, sexy siren.
Oh
who
my
come-
God.
Yeah, because her sexuality is her
Yeah.
power. Megan Fox's character in
yeah.
Fast and Furious
Oh no, the
is
poor
a
kid.
completely, I mean, I'm like, why is this person a cardboard cutout? Matlab, okay, so this woman is hot as hell, eats like crazy, knows about cars, can drive, and matlab is basically into doing very freaky stuff in bed. But she's also, because she's middle fantasy, she's also like super smart
And cool.
she's a vixen, and she can, she can be used against your enemy. Because she can seduce the enemy. A lot of Bond films and all do this.
Oh
Then
God,
there
on
is-
Bond films. Let
yeah.
me just tell you one thing. The
Yeah.
first, I'm not too sure. I think the first 20 Bond films didn't even have women who could act or speak English.
Yeah, they just had sexy,
Hot
sexy
girls,
lights. Yeah.
and everyone's voice was being dubbed because again it was
Yeah, they
just the
had no
look.
they had no like dialogue.
no
They
character,
didn't have speaking
no character
points as such.
development.
They were just like legs. Piece of
Yeah,
we want. That's the casting call. We need a piece of
Russian,
Yeah.
fair,
Yeah,
can't speak English, perfect.
I swear. So okay, so there's that. Then there's the cool girl. Have you seen Gone Girl?
Yeah,
So have you seen the first first part where she said, like the first half of the movie where she talks about how he saw me as the schoolgirl. I was not like other girls. I was schoolgirl. I was cool.
Always.
Yeah.
I feel like the whole she's not like other girls has stemmed from men writing women because
Yes.
they want the women to actually not be like other women so they can get some benefits out of that woman.
Oh yes, because it's a very convenient. It's a
Yeah.
projection of
Yeah.
the male gaze. It's an extension of.
Yeah.
I mean, now Gone Girl really kind of subverts that trope.
Yeah.
Where
to
she talks
second
about
half.
she talks about how I used to mold myself into the cool girl based on how my husband used to project it on me because
Yeah.
this is what he wanted and I wanted to be that, right?
Yeah.
Until her
Fulfill that fantasy
yeah.
to, I mean, consent and how females want to, in a way, just agree. Okay,
Yeah,
for a
because-
threesome or something like that.
because it's inconvenient to the man
Yeah.
to say no.
Yeah, to hear no.
Yeah, to
Here, no.
basically it's uncomfortable.
Yeah.
To make that man uncomfortable by
Yeah.
giving a no is like really is
Toxic
unheard
behavior.
of for women.
Hmm.
So yeah, you're just like, हाँ ठीक है, इसको मेरी personality नहीं पसंद, I'll mold it the way he
Way
wants.
he wants. I'll do what he wants, even
Yeah.
if I don't like it.
And then our favorite and Imtiaz Ali's favorite, the manic pixie dream girl.
Oh god.
So if you have seen Jab We Met, so there is a character called Geet who to be honest was a fun character. She's not
Dude.
bad, but so
I have so many issues. So many issues.
Yes.
My main issue, I mean, every girl, especially when you go on social media, everyone has like, okay, fine, you've got some poo dialogues, and then you've got obviously Geet dialogues, and everyone like so excited about Geet, and she like the epitome of energy. But I just felt like her entire character was like, okay, fine, if I had this guy, I have everything. I am energetic, I am fun, love is driving me. And the moment that when she's a scale of a person, like no growth, like it was kind of like Shahid Kapoor came. Okay, fine. She went for her love, and then no growth, nothing. She just stagnant at the same place he left her. Like, what the hell? And then he came, and then she like, oh my god, my life is back. Energy. Some guy has given me life. Like, I just find this entire thing that okay, fine. A man decides whether you or love. Basically, you're unfulfilled. You don't have energy or life in you without love. And I mean, I'm not saying love is bad, but you can't be a shell of a person. You just can't be like, हाँ ठीक है मैं सुनी I'm going from girls hostel, coming back, this and that, not doing anything, not making new friends. I don't want any experience. I just want a boy. Like what, where, why?
Yeah,
There
no,
is
because
more.
in his worldview, that because she faced a rejection
Oh no.
because male validation was the only thing she
Only
was
thing.
living for.
Yes.
So because of that rejection, her like because she says no, मैं कितनी stupid थी यार, मतलब
Oh yeah, that's what
to be fair, like credit where it's due, she was still a better written character than that woman in Rockstar. Then okay, because she just comes and I mean it just
you reminded me of trauma, man. So my toxic ex, he actually was like, let's see Rockstar together. I was like, why? You like, I feel like our story is just like that. And the thing is,
he's a talk star. He's not a rock star. He's
every
toxic.
girl, even you, I'm thinking, even if you guys are watching at home, at some point, especially in your teenage, your BP is low, you're like fainting, your periods are starting, your dizzy stuff happens. Okay, fine. Like teenage girls are just going through it. And he was like, oh no, I think all of this is happening because of me and my love, and you should watch, like, only when she's with that guy, she's feeling healthy, and I think that's our story. And I'm pretty sure I'm not the only girl who's heard that. There must be yeah, like these movies are then used by guys to be like, bhai, ye dekho, ye hum hai.
Oh my god. I love it. This is so much gaslighting.
This is, oh yeah,
Yeah, but like
Pro
literally
Max.
imagine a woman who gets sexed to death. So basically a woman so far up the male writer's ass that she gets sexed to death.
I'm so glad I didn't finish the movie. When that started, I was like, मैंने देखना ही नहीं है. I saw it. I was like, this is so fucking annoying and stupid. I'm shorting it. I just can't. My brain is dying. Every cell is combusting with every scene.
You know, the irony is, and even in Jab We Met, that Imtiaz Ali wrote Shahid Kapoor's character with so much nuance, so much
finesse.
sensitivity.
Yeah.
such a great character arc and a good character also. Like very
well-rounded.
yeah, very well rounded. Like he has mental health issues. He comes from a home which is broken. Even though he's privileged, he has like
Yeah,
internal
pains.
conflicts, all of that. But Geet is मैं बटिंडा क्यों? मैं आऊंगी, मैं तुम मेरे से पंगा मत लेना. Please to meet you. I'm like,
yeah. I have energy.
dude,
I'm gonna kill
yeah.
everything.
Exactly. So it's either this or that. Like the level of extreme that she is, it's just like I am here or I'm here.
Yeah.
Like then, thoda you live
Balance.
Yeah.
Where is the balance?
Exactly.
I have read some choice words when it comes to also describing women.
Oh yes, please tell.
Oh yes, I will tell.
Yeah.
Yeah. Her lips were like a coral reef, beckoning to be explored.
Okay then. I love it already.
Okay. She had eyes like emerald, sparkling with the promise of untold stories.
देखो जरा मेरी आंखें में कुछ है.
हाँ ऐसा
Do I
एकदम.
have untold stories?
No, I think.
मेरा power दिख रहा है इसमें.
नहीं बस एकदम बढ़िया एकदम शाइन आ रही है. मुझे फ्यूचर दिख रहा है.
बताओ मेरा भविष्य क्या है आंख देख के.
Okay. Her hair, a cascade of raven silk, flowed down her back like a waterfall to her breast.
बट बैक से ब्रेस्ट पे कैसे आ रहा है?
नहीं वो आगे भी जा रहा है पीछे भी जा रहा है.
Met a real human being woman.
No. Please let him appreciate the beauty.
Of
Okay.
course, yeah,
Yes. he's-
because back से तो ऐसे जाके come on breast like this.
No, we're not done. We're not
Yeah,
done.
Okay.
Her breasts like two ripe melons, threatening to burst from her borders.
I mean, I don't relate.
This is the point. This is the point where that song comes in. Honey, मैं लैला लैला चिल्लाऊंगा कुर्ता पहन के.
Yeah. The boobs will be singing that.
Yeah.
Not the people.
They are going to be melaning that
Yeah.
melody.
हमारा मिलन का समय आ गया है. I am not sure which book is this, but listen to this. The pressure was built up in her uterus. And she knew.
In the uterus.
Yeah, her period had arrived. भाई अभी तक नहीं पता मुझे if my period has arrived or not. It was supposed to start this morning.
My
But
period
I
has
don't
arrived,
know.
but I don't think I can
Yeah.
really tell uterus at this
Exactly,
point.
I've had 480 periods. मतलब we will have 480 periods in
What
this
you're like,
lifetime.
I'm like
Sorry, no, no.
vampire. I'm like, she's
Yeah.
not aging. What is right? She's
So we will have 480 periods in our lifetime. Apparently, अभी तक हमारा midlife हो चुका है, तो at least 150 तो हो ही होंगे. And I still don't
I
know.
do not relate.
My uterus cannot tell me that how will I know my period is around. So anyway, looking around class, everyone was focused on their work and Mr. Johnson was flipping through his newspaper. She raised her hand and looked up. I need to use the restroom. Mr. Johnson squinted. Hold it in. And she slunk back into her seat and clenched her pelvic muscles to stop the flow of her crimson shame.
What? What?
Yeah.
You know, the math is not maddening. The body is not
I
functioning.
mean, I wish I could do that. This is such a superpower.
It seems counterproductive because when you do that, it just flushes. There's a gush. Okay, there is just like a gush.
But yeah. So 10 minutes passed. However, and the pressure was mounting. She did a good job holding it for the time, but it was becoming a desperate situation. She raised her hand again, and Mr. Johnson misogynistically sighed. What? How do you misogynistically sigh?
What? That's how.
What?
Yeah. What?
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 What? Which one? Please tell us which one.
थोड़ा base के
Okay,
साथ.
A.
What?
A. What? B. What? C. What? Tell us in the comments which one was the most misogynistical.
A or C. I already
Right.
like B. तो I already feel like it's an annoyed auntie. ठीक है?
Yeah, this
It's A or
also
C.
can be misogynistic.
हाँ
Yeah.
वो तो खैर बात ही अलग है.
Yeah.
I was reenacting.
So he said what? And then I really need to go to the bathroom. Fine. But you get an F for female.
Wow, इतना स्मार्ट कवि की कल्पना तो देखो. लिखा क्या है लौंडे ने? क्या बात है? ओहो.
Yeah. She frowned but had no choice. She made a mad dash to the bathroom. breaking her
What is
heels
that?
along the way, because obviously she was wearing heels to class.
Yeah,
to
because
college.
that's the first thing you do. You're going to wear high heels. It's going to be stilettos. We don't do platforms because that's not sexy. It's not good.
Because
Actually,
when we're
stilettos.
bloated and our feet are swelling and we're about to have our period, which we hold in apparently, we love to wear heels also.
And this is the point where I think some guys genuinely do, by the way. I'd seen this on a Reddit post.
Yeah.
Some guys genuinely do believe women can control their periods, like you can control your pee. It's insane. There was this entire post on what was the dumbest thing I believed till I actually started living with a woman, and this guy was like, I'm embarrassed to accept this.
Oh, but at least to his credit, he did, and that's a good thing. We
मतलब
should
शादी करके पता
I
चला
know.
तुम्हारा कुछ ज्यादा लेट नहीं है मतलब like
stupid. Okay. Well, she frowned but had no choice. Well, life. She made a mad dash to the bathroom, breaking her heels along the way, which flattened her shoes enough to gain more speed. Because
जूते भी नहीं देखे आज तक इसको जूते की एनाटॉमी नहीं पता है इंसान की तो छोड़
as she ran toward the bathroom, her heaving, ample breasts, filled with milk, bounced and sloshed back and forth in her bra.
Is she also pregnant?
I don't know anymore. I don't know women anymore after this guy.
Oh my lord. Wow.
Thankfully, she made it in time before her womb made a bloody explosion. She inspected her panties in the stall and sighed in relief. Thank you, Kegels. She pushed and peed the blood hard into the toilet, making
Push and pee the blood hard.
Yeah, because we are the elevator scene from The Shining.
Oh my god.
Then making it look like a murder scene all over the porcelain walls. Matlab, the toilet has had more respect than the woman. The porcelain walls of the toilet.
This, I don't even know which doctor to call right now because your ENT and your gynae can't even come together and figure this
I
out.
want a man to write my life because ये तो मुझे चाहिए skills यार. Kegels करके period control कर लो. Wow यार. Now, to plug herself up, she pulled a tampon from her purse and opened the packet. Perspiration beaded on her forehead as she examined the phallic shape of the tampon. As she pushed it inside, she let out a gasp, then a moan. Mr. Johnson would never know the wonders of being a woman. Neither would you, author Saab.
Someone needs to take dry tissue paper, shove it up his ass. I think that's the only way for him to understand some relatable
I
shit.
think Mr. Johnson is him. This is the author of this book.
Oh my
so,
god.
yeah. Basically, so men, I don't think they are.
So we have to rewind, pause, play. Okay, this guy has right now decided you are bleeding from every opening.
Yeah.
Alright, and he also
That
decided...
you pee out blood. Yeah, I don't think this guy has ever met a real woman in his life.
I think he's met women when he was asleep. So this one thing that I read, moving away from that, was this another female trope that men write about that just for like, oh, and when I saw this tweet, I was like, oh my god, this is so true. So it says, in this book I'm reading, one of the characters just said, men can reinvent themselves. For women, once you become a mother, you're always just a mother. And I think I'm going to let that quote unpack for a few days.
Oh my god.
It pissed me off so much. I mean, I feel like this is the reason why we've celebrities like Rihanna and Hailey Bieber trying to do all these sexy photo shoots and really not let themselves be like typecasted like that, because men just, they decide once they write a woman character, whether it be in like movies or TV shows or anywhere, they're just like, yaar, ye to maa hai, iska ho gaya bas. Abhi what is she going to do?
Yeah.
What is her life?
No, but also there is this very weird kind of projection of the mom character that men portray. I've never heard a boy or a man describe his mother as, oh, she was so aware, or she was so smart, she was so good in studies, college, at her job, or whatever. I have never heard a man saying this, except maybe barring very few. I've heard mostly them saying, "Oh, वो तो इतना कुछ sacrifice कर गई मेरे लिए." You know, she used to handle so many things at the same time. She used to take us to school. She would do this. It was very centered around them, first of all.
Yeah.
And then it was very godly, very superhuman kind of, identity that they had attached to their mothers, So yeah, basically it's like from their perspective, mummy can only be
Yeah.
this, I don't.
And that's the same way they're also written at Max. If they want to add another facet to the character, they're going to be like, okay, fine, wow, she really taught me how to dress, or if I have any fashion sense, it's because of my mother. But that's where these guys cut it. And even in the writing, when you look at any mother character, their role is just to help the child grow, or just show like the backstory of the child. There is like that's the end of it. And if God forbid any part comes where she wants to get remarried or something else, then oh my god, how dare you
Oh,
want to
man.
have your own life?
Yeah. Oh, so have you seen Badhai Ho? So where Neena Gupta at in her 50s gets pregnant, and it is so scandalous for the son who is already in his 20s. It is so it's like unheard of that, oh my god, my mother can have a sex life. It's so, oh my god, that's like so, it's like your soul leaving your body when you hear that, for an average male in this country. But I feel that movie was so relevant because it saw this woman who is a mother as a human being, as someone who had a sexual desire, who had a sex life beyond her 50s. Pregnancy to alag baat hai, that the pregnancy was just a segue into showing her as, someone who also is a human, is a person with their own needs and everything.
Yeah, I mean, one thing I liked about Big Bang Theory was when Sheldon went back home for some reason, some fight, whatever happened, and he saw his mother having a relationship. They showed, even though like the mother's very aged, or right, he's at the age of getting married in his 30s and all, the mother not only has like one affair, but she has another. She says that, I'm alone, this and that, it's fine. And then the rest of the female characters come in like, what are you expecting your mother to do? Just wait around, this and that, let her have her life. So, like, then there's some place where you feel like, okay, fine, it can be done. I mean, even when it's done like badly, but it's still done, which is still a step above because like the bar is so low.
Oh yeah, I know, right?
The internet finds the best things.
Is awesome.
It's awesome. So, this is such a cliche trope. This beautiful girl was there in the tweet, all right?
Okay.
And over here, this guy says, the way the barbarian peasant girl looks at me after I raided her village and crucified her entire family, she will be my loving wife and bear my 4 sons. Next reply, she will bounce back quickly and embrace her new life.
Huh?
Yeah, so basically,
I'm so confused. What the fuck was going on there?
like nothing happened.
Yes.
How?
Yeah, because of
Skin,
course, because
elastic.
anatomy to is their least favorite subject. मतलब biology पढ़ लो यार. So no, I'll tell you. Okay, so there are like a bunch of like these. Okay, it's a thing. I didn't know before this that it's a legit thing because I usually stay away from these, especially these very juvenile YA novels written by men about women. They are very, very weird place to be. Okay, so I'm just reading lines randomly.
Yeah.
She's in her 30s, not all that young. Spellburn said. Stretch marks. So she'd had at least one child. Not the type that usually gets trafficked.
What? Traffic like sex traffic? Or what traffic?
है? इसमें 3 चीजों के अलग-अलग description. I'm like, how did you get here? Okay. Then, the cold air made my hair stand up from the roots. The way my nipples stood erect. Every follicle on my arms and legs becoming a tiny clitoris. And every cell of me, awake and alert, had rigid attention.
I just want to know, how does everything become a tiny clitoris? Because that sounds painful at this point.
Okay, another one. I want this skill because the voice belonged to a plump, round-faced woman of the sort that develops a good personality because the alternative is suicide.
ये क्या बोले जा रहे हैं? ये चल क्या रहा है?
A legend book. It's not even a parody. It's like a literal page from a book.
No, I
A
believe
printed book in paper. Somebody
Yeah.
thought this was okay to print.
my
forever.
issue is with the people who printed it, because there's some really good author, like even my friend who's writing a book, he's written a brilliant book, but people don't let people
Yeah.
get printed that easily. You can't be a published author that easily. And how is this getting, like, who are these people? Where are your funds?
Okay,
Who's your
so-
company?
His guest for the last 3 days has been Amanda Werner.
Amanda.
Yeah. I like her. I could watch her the rest of my life. She has breasts that smile.
So, is it like eyes and then like a chubby belly for the smile? Like, what's going on?
I want to know. I'm so cute. Like, this is more than anything, more than a repulsed reaction. I'm just curious.
This is projecting
I like
a
how
smile.
because see, authors have a wild imagination, right? You're always visualizing something when you're writing. What are you visualizing when you're
He's
writing this?
so happy. That's what he's visualizing. He's just like, oh my god, I just can't keep my teeth inside.
Oh my god.
Literally and figuratively.
Oh my god. I'm just like, what? Like, please, thoda sa, if you're a guy, please study
Decode.
some bio.
And how to breast smile? That's a question of the day. So, I feel like, if you are reading a book by you, I mean, you guys at home, there are like a few things you can look at. If you're writing, if you're a writer in particular. So, there's this one test I told you about. The Bechdel test basically has 3 pointers. The first one is there needs to be at least 2 women characters, and specified as being named characters, not like Anubhav ki maa. Okay, we don't want to know about Anubhav ki maa unless and until auntie ji ka naam hai, theek hai? And these 2 women talk to each other, and they should talk about something other than
Other
a man.
than the man. They like दो exist कर जाएं, दो,
हाँ.
and वो भी की बात करें, and वो भी
हाँ.
बात करें without context to a
Context.
man in the
Yeah.
scenario, man generally also.
Yeah.
And the thing is, the films that pass this, the films and the books that pass this are abysmal. Like
Yeah,
the
it's
rate
sad.
of this, and it's such a low bar.
Yeah.
And by the way, this was actually parody. Like the Bechdel test was made for parody. It was a joke.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, it was a part of this comic strip. And it was supposed to be between these 2 women who are that I only watch films which have 2 characters and they have names, 2 female characters, they have names, they talk about something other than man, ye wo. It was a comic strip.
Oh my.
And it was turned into a legit test because when people actually tried it and applied it,
In
so
real life
many
application,
films
yeah.
and books failed so miserably. And I'm like, books mein to literally एक written word hai yaar. You can write so much.
Yeah.
I mean, films I still understand runtime काटना पड़ता है ये वो. But books में तो बात करा दो यार. हद हो गई.
The second test is the Mackey-Mori test, which requires at least 1 female character who gets her own narrative arc. And this is not about supporting a man's story. So,
Wow.
इतना छोटा.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is still better than Bechdel, but it's like a very low bar. Like the bar is below the basement.
Yeah, like how difficult is it? You just need like one person in that story, even if it's like a story based in like teen drama school growing up, that okay, fine, the girl can't pass a maths test, alright, because obviously girls can't do maths. So, like something so basic, like how she has that arc. How difficult is that? Give her name, give her an arc, and then she learned math through patience and practice. That's it. ये खत्म. तुम बस मैथ्स का यही छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल दे तो 3 पन्ने तुम्हारे 400 पन्नों की किताब में निकल सकता है. It's not that difficult.
And for men, just meet women. Just do that. Say hi. Talk no.
Talk.
Just talk.
हाँ.
Ask question. कोई बात
Yeah.
नहीं, पूछो ना क्या पीरियड तुम्हारा कैसा आता है. आता है, रोक सकते हो? नहीं. तुम्हारा निप्पल बढ़ता है, तुम्हारा बाल कैसा है, पूछ लो ना. क्या है इसमें? Ask someone. Make friends with women. We're not
Yeah.
so bad. We don't have periods that we can control.
Yeah.
We are not monsters.
Make friends with women without thinking you are going to lay with them. Okay, that's also very important.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Because like that's the only thing they want to do. And like
Yeah. Yeah, because the trope will only change when you change your
I
thinking.
swear.
And if you have authors whose work you really like, tweet them, email them, guys, start a group. Come on our Reddit post and make that go viral. Okay, come on. Just say your stuff. Go on Instagram and be like, please, I want a little more fodder to this woman character. She was really nice. She can be more than just beautiful. Like, come on.
Exactly.
Voice your
Like,
opinion.
expect better from author,
Yeah.
from anyone. Like,
Yeah.
just write. Oh
Yeah,
my
if you're
God.
going to keep thinking about just laying with them, you'll write about that. Think about them as your londe dost.
So yeah, if you if you too are sick of how men write women, tell us, show us more, because we would love to read it. Because right now we're in a black hole and we really just want more of this. Because
I loved it.
yeah, because it's like
Insane.
oddly satisfying to just, I don't know, it's just fun to read. So
Yeah.
just if you find more examples, please do tell us in the comments,
Yes.
because this is like crazy.
This was the best.
I love it.
Entertainment for
So,
days.
I swear.
Yeah.
So if you enjoyed this video, please like it and we're in the
Share.
channel. So please subscribe. Please share this video with your friends and comment down below what you want to see us talk about next.
Yeah. And yeah, we will see you next week, guys.
Yes. Tell us in the
Bye.
comments also what exactly. And see you next week on another episode of
Girl Gappa.
Girl Gappa.
Woo!